कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभा गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय गोपीजना वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी यशोदानंदन ब्रज जन रंजन यमुना तेरा वनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा जय प्रभुपदा श्रील प्रभुपदा प्रभुपा जय श्रील प्रभुपा गुरुदेव जय श्रील गुरुदेव हरि नाम संकीर्तन नमो सब की जय भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रबंध महाराज की जय निताय गौर प्रेमानंद हरि हरि बोल ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत् नष्टप्रायेषु भद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी So welcome you all in our congregation of Srimad Bhagavatam by the mercy of Srila Prabhupada and Vaishnavas around. We'll be continuing our study of Srimad Bhagavatam from Canto 3, Chapter 21, Text 51 today. Yor Kendra Agnir Yor Kendra Agnindra Vayunam Yamadharma Prachetasam रूपाण्यस्तानम् आधस्ति तस्मै शुक्लायते नमः यो अर्केन्द्र अग्नीन्द्र वायूनां यमधर्म प्रचेतसां रूपाण्यस्तानम् आधस्ति तस्मै शुक्लायते नमः यो अर्केन्द्र अग्नीन्द्र वायूनां यमधर्म प्रचेतसां रूपाण्यस्तानम् आधस्ति तस्मै Shuklayate Namaha. What meaning? Yaha, you. Who? Arka of the sun. Indu of the moon. Agni of Agni, the fire god. Indra of Indra, the lord of heaven. Vayunam of Vayu, the wind god. Yama of Yama, the god of punishment. Dharma of Dharma, the god of piety. Prachetasam of the Varuna, the god of water. Rupani, the forms. Asthane, when necessary. Adhaste, you assume. Tasmai, unto him. Suklaya, unto Lord Vishnu. Te, unto you. Namaha, obeisance. Translation purport by His Divine Grace, Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. You assume, when necessary, the part of the sun god, the moon god, Agni, the fire, the god of fire, Indra, the lord of paradise, Vayu, the wind god, Yama, the god of punishment, Dharma, the god of piety, and Varuna, the god of presiding over the water. All obeisances to you, who are none other than the Lord Vishnu. Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjan Salakaya Chakshmartamenam Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishnam Sthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Sapatantikam Bandeham Sri Guru Shada Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadutam Prajana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधु जगतपति गोपेशा गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कंचन गौरंगे राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वांशाकल्पतरुवैश्य कृपा सिन्धुवैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते जयपताका समनिति नामिने नमो आचार्यपादाय निताय कृपादा प्रदायिने गौरकथा धामदाय नगर ग्राम तारणे नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे। Jai Srila Prabhupada. So we just said, Yor Kendro Agnindra Vayunam Yamadharma Prachetasam Rupanyastanam Adhaste Tasmai Shuklayate Namaha. So we are hearing from Sage Kardama, who were visited by Swayambhu Manu with his wife Satrupa and daughter Devuti. Now, Prabhupada saying in the purport, since the sage Kardama was a Brahmana and Swayambhu was Kshatriya, the sage was not supposed to offer obeisances to the king because socially his position was greater than the king's. But he offered his obeisances to Swayambhu Manu because as Manu, the king and emperor, he was representative of the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord is always worshipable, regardless of whether one is a Brahmana, Kshatriya or Shudra. As a representative of the Supreme Lord, the king deserved respect obeisances from everyone. So, we know, विद्या विनय संपन्ने ब्राह्मणे गविहस्तनी सुनी चैव स्वपाके च पंडिता समदर्शने. So Kardama is one of the greatest pandita. He is not seeing the king as a king embodiment, but as a representative of Krishna. He is seeing Krishna himself. In him, he is seeing Krishna. And therefore, it was apt for him to offer obeisance to the Supreme Personality of Godhead. But for general public, he is saying, because you are a representative of the Supreme Lord, therefore, you are a partial sun god, you are a moon god Agni, you are the Indra, you are the Vayu, you are Yama, you are Dharma, you are Varuna, and you are everything. So this is the way one should see. Secondly, because Swayambhu Manu visited his hermitage, so anybody who comes in, it is the duty of the host to greet them. It's not that because he's a Brahmana, so somebody will come and fall flat on his legs. No, anybody who comes home is the duty of the householder, is the duty of the guest to honor the guest. So he is befitting in all the circumstances. He had done the right thing, not thinking that he is a king, or he had already known that he had come for the purpose of marrying the daughter. So he is not intoxicated that, oh, because he will be my father-in-law, so he is subordinate to me. And since Supreme Lord is always worshipable, therefore the devotees, they always offer their obeisance to everyone. We repeat this sloka every now and then. Advaishta sarvabhutanam maitra karunaiva cha niramamo nirankara sukatuka sakshmi santushta satatam yogi yatatma dhrida nishchaya mai arpit mano buddhi yome bhakti shichame priya. If we have to become, Srimad Bhagavatam not only take the story part of it. What is the moral for us? Srimad Bhagavatam is not only the story. What is the moral for us? The moral for us that we have to be as humble as possible. And we have to greet everyone, doesn't matter whether he is a big or a small or whether a child or an old man. We are supposed to respect them. And respecting them means respecting the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Yoma pashyati sarvatra sarvatra jaimai pashyati tashyamna pranashyami sachamena pranashyati. So it is here how to see the God. Anything that you see, you happen to see a tree or a beautiful scene, you could see the rainbow. I don't know how many of you have seen more than one rainbow. I have seen more than one rainbow. Generally, you can see only one rainbow. But sometimes there are many, many rainbows.
7 colors.
No, 7 color.
7 colors.
7 color, many rainbows. Huh? So, the whole idea of the devotee, he could see Krishna everywhere. And that takes time to understand. If my neighbor is not good, I won't even look at him. I won't even treat him.
Can you do Hindi mix class? Hindi English.
अरे ओके तो आज इसके बीच में हम हिंदी में घुसा देते हैं. यहाँ पे मैं कह रहा था श्रीमद् भागवतम सिर्फ एक कथा रूप नहीं है, ये सिर्फ ज्ञान मात्र नहीं है, ये हमारा जो व्यवहार है ये नहीं काम कर रहा.
The sound is breaking. There's
गाली मेरे पास में नहीं.
No, this is not working.
Okay. Why?
I don't know.
I already switched it on.
No,
here.
this is not working. Can you hear me properly?
1 second.
Yeah. No.
Yes, Prabhu.
Yeah, they can hear.
Sound is cracking, Prabhu. Little bit. But it is okay. Okay. We can
Okay, can you log in now? Just a minute. Bro. अच्छा, जब तक वो दूसरा आता है मैं बताता हूँ आपको. तो श्रीमद् भागवतम एक कथा नहीं है, ये ज्ञान नहीं है, ये ज्ञान नहीं है, ये साथ में जो है मॉरल साइंस भी है. मॉरल साइंस है कि हमें कैसे अपने आप को समाज में रहना है, समाज को हमें क्या शिक्षा देनी है, और शिक्षा हम तब तब दे पाएंगे जब हम खुद अपना आचरण करेंगे। कहते हैं जब तक आसन शुद्ध नहीं होता है मंत्र कभी शुद्ध नहीं होता है। सो द ड्यूटी ऑफ एवरीबडी, वी मस्ट रिस्पेक्ट and learn the technique how to live this life peacefully. And when you try to become humble, then maybe 50% of your yoga will go off. 50% of your ego will go off, false ego will go off. Because you are not expecting anybody to treat you, to respect you.
Can you log out from there and utilize this in the meantime? Utilize this. Can you log out from here, please?
How do you log out?
No, just don't end the session. Don't end the session. Leave. Leave meeting.
Okay.
Okay. And in the meantime, please utilize this. Okay. Leave that.
Okay.
Yeah. Speak from here. Don't log out. Speak from here.
But give me Bhagavatam, 1 minute. How is Bhagavatam here? Sorry, mess up today. What can we do? So, can you hear me now? So, whether one is Brahmana, one is Kshatriya, one is Vaishya, one is Shudra, he must offer respect to everybody. That's the beauty of it. Everyone should be respected, that they are the representative of the Lord. So this is the moral of this particular sloka today. He says that he is saying that you are as good as the representative. King is a representative because he is Pati. Pati means protector. And he can only protect if he has some access to all these basic necessities of life. Otherwise, he is not going to protect. So, what Garbad Jhala ho gaya today? So, let me take the text 52, 54 also. Yada ratham astaya jayatram maniganarpitam vispurjanda dando stena traya sannaghan swasainya charanakshunam Vipyayan mandalam bhuvu Vikarshana brahati sena Paryastam ashrumaniva Tadeva sayatava sarve Varna sarmani vandana Bhagavadra rajan Vigrena vata dashuvihe. No, it's okay. I'll read translation. If you did not mount your victorious jewel chariot, whose mere presence threatens the culprits, if you did not produce fair sound by the twanging of your bow, and if you did not roam about the world like the brilliant sun, leading a huge army whose trampling feet causes the globe of the earth to tremble, then all the moral laws governing the Varnas and Asrama created by the Lord Himself would be broken by the rocks and the rascal. The purport here. It is a duty of a responsible king to protect the social and spiritual orders in human society. The spiritual order are divided into 4 asramas and varnas. 4 asramas, brahmacharya, grihastha, banprastha, sannyasa. And the social order according to the work and qualification are made up to the brahmanas and kshatriyas and the vaishyas and sudras. These social orders according to the different grades of work and qualification are described in Bhagavad Gita. Unfortunately, for want of proper protection by responsible kings, the system of social and spiritual order has now become a hereditary caste system. But this is not the actual system. Human society means that the society which is making progress towards spiritual realization. The most advanced human society was known as Arya. Arya refers to those who are advancing. So, the question is, which society is advancing? Advancement does not mean creating material necessities unnecessarily and thus wasting human energy in aggravation over the so-called material comforts. Real advancement is advancement towards the spiritual realization, and the community which acted towards this end was known as Aryan civilization. The intelligent men, the Brahmanas, as exemplified by Kardama Muni, were engaged in advancing the spiritual cause, and Kshatriyas like Emperor Swayambhu Manu used to rule the country and ensure that all facilities for spiritual relations were nicely provided. It is the duty of a king to travel all over the country and see that everything is in order. Indian civilization on the basis of the four Varna and asrama deteriorated because of her dependency on foreigners or those who did not follow the civilization of Varnashrama. Thus, the Varnashrama system has now been degraded into the caste system. The institution of four Varnas and four ashramas is confirmed herewith by the Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavad Rachita, which means designed by the Supreme Person of Godhead. In Bhagavad Gita, this is also confirmed. Chaturya Varna Maya Sreshtam Guna Karma Vivagasa. The Lord says that the institution of the four Varnas and four ashramas is created by me. Anything created by the Lord cannot be closed or converted or coverted. The divisions of the Varnas and ashramas will continue to exist either in their original form or in degraded form. But because they are created by the Lord, the Supreme Person of Godhead, they cannot be extinguished. They are like the sun, the creation of the God, and therefore will remain either covered by the clouds or in the clear sky. The sun will continue to exist. Similarly, when the Varna Ashrama system becomes degraded, it appears as its hereditary caste system. But in every society, there is an intelligent class of men, a martial class, a mercantile class, a labor class. When they are regulated for cooperation among communities according to the Vedic principle, then there is a piece of spiritual advancement. But when there is a hatred and malpractices and mutual mistrust in the caste system, the whole system becomes degraded, and as stated herein, it creates a deplorable state. At the present moment, the entire world is in deplorable condition because of giving the right to so many interests. This is due to the degradation of the four castes of Varna and Ashrama. So we heard, furthermore, he is applauding that why the Swayambhu Manu had to mount the chariot and roam around. क्या जरूरत थी उनको इधर जाने की उधर जाने की? तो कहते हैं अगर आप नहीं होते, आप ये नहीं करते, तो ये ठग्स हैं, जो बदमाश लोग हैं, ये मनमाना काम करते और समाज में जो है प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करते. सो द ड्यूटी ऑफ द किंग यद यद आचरित श्रेष्ठः तत्तदेवेतरो जनः स प्रमाणम यद कुरुते लोकस्तदनुवर्तते. इट इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द किंग to protect the citizen from degradation of their human values. And degradation means going down again to the animalistic way of life, and then again gradually come up, which may take some billions and billions and billions of years. Therefore, the king, they were very strict. They will punish the people. So that sometime out of fear, they become God conscious. Out of fear. So that is the duty of a king. And he is applauding you have done the right thing. And that's what the Prabhupada is saying in his Universal Commentary, that every one of them, those who are helm of affair, they have to see themselves. Even I heard like Lord Sri Rama, sometime in the night time, he'll go in the cities, different places in a disguised form, and try to find out how the things are going on. It's a duty. But nowadays, we are only looking for the sense gratification, and we don't care what happens. And as Prabhupada is saying, because the degraded of Varna and Asrama, so many times we say that Varna Asrama means, in our own life, we are following this four system every day. Sometimes we are acting like a Brahmana, sometimes we are acting like a Kshatriya, in a day, every day. Sometimes as a Vaishya, sometimes as a Sudra. So every day we are performing this act. We do not know. We may think, oh, I am bypassed this is what I am. No. Every day we are performing these four acts. Because it is created by the Lord. Chaturya Varna Maya Srishtam, Guna Karma Vibhagasa. Depending on the Guna and Karma, one acts. But as you, let us say you get up early in the morning, so you are doing the job of a Brahmana. And then you are, let us say, taking your children to the school and things like that, you are making them ready and all, so that time you are a Kshatriya. And then you have to go to office to earn money, so you are a Vaishya. And in the evening you come home and you serve your kids, your parents, so you are Shudra. So this, every day we are performing this act. So therefore, it is the duty of every sentient being to act in accordance with the acharana revealed in the scripture. जो शास्त्रों में दिया गया है, जो शास्त्रों में बताया गया है, उसको तो हमें उसका अनुसरण तो करना ही पड़ेगा. अगर हम उसका अनुसरण नहीं करेंगे तो दुविधा में दोनों गए, माया मिले न हमको भक्ति मिल पाई, न भौतिक सुख मिल पाया. आदि छोड़ पूरी धावे, आदि मिले न पूरी पावे. तो ये प्रॉब्लम हमारे साथ हो जाती है. लेकिन कर्दम मुनि सेइंग टू ऑल द पीपल, दोज हु आर a leader, you are a leader of a house, so you are supposed to do this. As I said, Srimad Bhagavatam is not only a story of it, it's a moral science, and everybody has to increase their moral code, purify their moral code, sharpen their moral code, so that the society become worth living. Then we enjoy this life, and we even enjoy after death. It's not that, okay, he said, you will go to heaven, बोले इसका स्वर्गवास हो गया. किसने जगह स्वर्गवास हो गया? अगर अंत्य नारायण स्मृति न हो और स्वर्गवास हो भी गया तो क्षीणे पुण्य मृतलोकम विसंधि फिर वापस आना है, तो जाके क्या फायदा? इसलिए हम सबको ये सीखना चाहिए कि मेरा मॉरल कोड क्या है, मुझे कैसी भक्ति करनी है, अपने जो हमारे डिपेंडेंट हैं उनको हम कैसे उनको बिहेव करना है, कैसे उनको इन्वॉल्व करना है. And this way we can enjoy this life, simply chanting and dancing and remembering Krishna and thanking him for every now and then that all he has given. Or sometimes for the devotee he gives more, little more, and that is his ankampa. Our prarabdha is definitely going to come in, but sometimes he gives little more, so that we can advance towards him. But many times, laguta se prabhuta bade, prabhuta se prabhudu. But as soon as economically we are becoming sound, slowly, gradually, we forget Krishna. And sometimes then, if we are showing our attitude as if I am doing the favor by doing bhakti, as if I am offering prasadam, I am doing the favor to the Lord, like that. Is out of love. Snehat bhayat dveshat, but enikene prakarena Krishna manavase. So with this, I'll come to the conclusion of my talk. Thank you very, very, very much.